Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by parking on level ground and chalking the wheels to keep everything stable. First actionable step, disconnect the truck battery so you cannot short the circuit while handling wires. Next, unplug the trailer harness and remove the mounting screws or retainer clip to free the plug assembly. Do this now, don't over-prepare. The goal is immediate progress. Once the plug is exposed, make sure you can trace each colored wire to the plug pins before cutting or disconnecting anything. Now you remove the old plug and prepare the new one. Label or photograph each wire so you know which color goes to each pin. Cut the old plug off, strip about 1/4 inch of insulation, and slide heat shrink tubing onto each wire before connecting. Why? Proper stripping and insulation prevent corrosion and shorts. Crimp or solder each connection, solder for longevity, crimp for speed, and then slide heat shrink over the joint and shrink it. Once done, apply dielectric grease to the plug face to repel moisture. Reconnect the battery and test the circuit immediately. Use a 12V tester or have a helper cycle turn signals, brakes, and running lights while you observe the trailer end. If every function works, secure the plug housing, tighten mounting screws, and seal gaps with silicone or a weather boot. Make sure the harness has slack and is routed clear of heat and pinch points. If something fails, stop, check pin mapping and continuity with a multimeter, and inspect fuses and ground connections as the primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.